What if the air that poisons us could also power our pens? Good morning, respected judges, teachers, and my fellow change makers. I am Aishwarya with my teammates Aradhya, Surya, and Gulshan, and we believe every problem contains seeds of its own solution. Our project, Air Twing, turning pollution into possibility, directly captures carbon soot from highways, turning it into black ink, turning what chokes our lungs to what fuels our ideas. Our project basically helps to reduce pollution, because if darkness can rise from our engines, it could also rise a right future of a better nation. Our goal is specific: to cleanse, to capture, to create. Because innovation doesn't mean creating something new, it means to repair what we have broken. And now I would like to invite my teammate to tell us how this project makes this vision into living reality.
We cannot stop breathing, but we can choose what we breathe in. That's exactly what our model does. It breathes for the city, inhales pollution, and exhales clean air. Gravity Labs, which is an Indian company, has developed air ink in which they create with carbon which is captured from vehicle exhaust. But our project aims to implement this on a larger scale and install such purifiers not only on the vehicles but on the highway itself. Imagine smart road dividers, lampposts, and barriers along highways equipped with air intake chambers. As vehicles pass, these units suck in the polluted air filled with fine carbon particles. Inside, electrostatic filters and nanocarbon traps capture the soot, the very particles that cause smog, asthma, and cardiovascular problems. The captured soot is then purified inside the central unit, removing toxins and heavy metals. What remains is pure carbon, the base of our eco-friendly black ink. In simple words, our roads no longer just carry traffic. They clean the air and create value from waste. We turn exhaust into expression and pollution into possibility. That's how our model transforms each kilometer of highway into a silent air purifier. Now we will demonstrate our model.
Whenever a vehicle passes, our senses detect the vehicle and our project turns on. Then the pollution caused by the vehicle is absorbed by the smoke absorber. The smoke goes into the smoke filters and the clean air comes out of this filter, and carbon is trapped here in the nanocarbon traps. This is the carbon trapped in the nanocarbon traps, and this carbon is the pure form of carbon and which is used to make eco-friendly inks.
Every revolution begins when the number of starters peak. According to Central Pollution Control Board, about 30% of India's air pollution come from the vehicles. Our model could capture up to 60 to 70% of carbon soot from the air flowing across the highways. Just 1 kilometer of equipped roadway could collect 5 to 7 kilograms of carbon soot, enough to make 25 liters of ink. Now imagine scaling that across India's 70,000 km of national highway network. We can cut and particulate the pollution by nearly 15% in key cities while producing the tons of usable ink. Globally, the projects like Air Ink by Gravity Lab have already done this, turning the captured pollution into ink used for street arts in Singapore and Hong Kong, painting awareness onto the street walls, but at a very small scale. Roads won't just lead us to the destination, they'll lead us to the solution. And now, my teammate will conclude our vision and connect it to the dream of Viksit Bharat.
A Viksit Bharat won't rise on concrete or steel, but on clean air, clear vision, and conscious innovation. Our project Air Twing breathes life into this idea. It transforms ordinary highways into life-breathing ecosystems, capturing pollution, purifying the air, and creating ink that tells a story of change. Our project perfectly aligns with the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, a self-reliant, sustainable, and innovative Bharat. It not only promotes circular economy, but also provides the printing industry with a better and sustainable alternative. Our project is not just a model we presented today, but a brush to paint India's better and cleaner future, where every organism can breathe in freely. Thank you for being part of this canvas of change. Viksit Bharat, Sabka Prayas, Sabka Vikas. Thank you.